Dear investors and viewers, Vridhi Financing presenting GMP prediction for PB Fintech Limited by Vridhi Finance. Wish you very happy Diwali. We are going to talk about the PB Fintech Limited IPO detail. Symbol will be Policy Bazaar. Issue period will be 1st November 2021 till 3rd November 2021. Post issue modification period will be 8 November 2021 from 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. Cutoff time for UPI mandate confirmation 8 November 2021 up to 12 p.m. Issue size is basically rupees 37,500 million, and issue type is 100% book building issue. Price range band between rupees 940 to 980. Face value 2 rupees. Ticket size rupees RE1. Bid lot will be 15 equity shares in multiple thereof. Minimum order quantity 15 shares. Maximum order quantity. Maximum subscription amount retail investor is 2 lakh. IPO market timing is 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. Book running lead manager will be Citigroup Global Market India Private Limited, Kotak Mahindra Capital Company Limited, Morgan Stanley India Company Private Limited, ICICI Securities Limited, HDFC Bank Limited, IIFL Securities Limited, and Jefferies India Private Limited. PB Fintech, that is Limited, that is Policy Bazaar, we have given a good amount of prediction for this subscription, but unfortunately it has not come true. We have given a band between 35% to 75% according to their strategy, but unfortunately it has not come true. Bid details for PB Fintech, that is Policy Bazaar. So if you see, dear investors, we can see that qualified institutional buyers is 9.83%. 83 number of total mint for category including foreign institutional investors, domestic financial institution including bank, financial institution, insurance companies, mutual funds and others. Non-institutional investors is 2.58 number of total mint for category, and in case of individual other than RRIS, and if you see retail individual investors 1.66 and the total is 6.48 number of total mint for the category. Dear investor, if you see this Policy Bazaar, basically they have receive a good amount of number of shares of bid, but unfortunately it has not come true 100%, and it can't come true. If it comes true, absolutely market will get crashed totally on the day of listing even, because this company has took large amount of money over here. That's the reason it has been subscribed list, means like 6.48% only. Otherwise it can goes to 60% if they are thinking about investment after the day of listing rather than putting this much amount of money. Anyways, we are not going to do analysis on this. So this is their reports about the bid of Policy Bazaar. GMP prediction for PB Fintech, we are expecting the discount offer, if in case it offers, it can goes up to minus 950. Minimum we are expecting this can open up on 1000 rupees. Maximum it can goes 1020, but probably 95% it can goes discount offer on the day of listing, we can see. Thank you by Vridhi Finance. We will come back to you once if share got listed and we will achieve our target. Anyways, dear investor, thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye bye. Wish you very happy and safe Diwali from the Corona itself, and you will get everything what you wish on this Diwali. Light up your lamp and light up your life with Vridhi Finance. Vridhi Finance. Vridhi means growth, and yes, absolutely, finance growth is another leading path of your life. Everybody do the business or anything, even the pujas, is for money. Hopefully you will like our channel.